So you've decided to run that first half marathon, or maybe you've even decided to embark upon that full marathon and you're wondering, what training plan should I follow? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor, and if you haven't heard just yet, I've created 27 tips and tricks for runners on injury prevention. Over the course of the next 27 weeks, we're going to go through each single tip and trick right here on the channel, and if you want to go ahead and grab the complete guide, click the link down below. Now again, these tips and tricks are in no specific order, but we're going to get started with tip number 11, which is proper training plans. Now, I see this a lot of times across the board on social media where people will put up various different training plans and wonder, is this the right training plan for me? Now, this is one of those things where there are a host of free training plans out there. There are various different running groups and clubs that you can join through different membership sites. The Nike Run Club, I know does have different training programs. I know Hal Higgins has his own training program as well. But again, what we would want to look at here is, where are you in terms of your level of running? You know, are we a very new runner? Are you new to running longer distance? You know, what are we doing to complement our runs in the sense of, it's not about running so many miles per week. It's actually putting into place a lot of the stuff we're going to talk about throughout these 27 weeks. Meaning, have you had any injuries before? Do you do any weightlifting or other activities that may actually hinder certain muscle performance in the sense of muscle imbalances? What is your running style like? Are you a pronator, a supinator, a forefoot striker? Maybe you are a heel striker. So it's getting a better sense of everything that's going on with you and then figuring out what is your goal in the end. Now, again, with the training plan, you're going to want to really look at a training plan that's going to be suitable for your level of running. And the training plan itself, if you stick with it and you do add some other things in there in terms of proper strength training for certain muscle imbalances, you'll notice that you'll decrease your chance of injury a lot more, which is the end goal right here. Now, if you're curious to know if your training plan is the right training plan for you, you can drop some comments down below. I'm happy to take a look at each training plan for you guys and get some better insight into where you are in your running career, in your running journey, to really kind of help you a little bit further. And like I said, you know, when I educate my runners that work with me, they're very surprised that it's not about the amount of miles that they really have to put in per week. It's how we complement the running with some other activities to really ensure that the right muscle firing patterns are happening and that they can go out there, enjoy their run, and achieve their goals. Now, like I said, if you have questions about your own training plans, drop those links down below. Happy to take a look at it with you guys. And don't forget to catch all 27 tips and tricks right here on the channel. And again, this is Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor. I'll see you in the next video.